Elephant lights a lamp. When Uncle Elephant and Uncle... Alright, I couldn't do that. We came Uncle Elephant's house. We came to Uncle Elephant's house. We will light a lamp and have some supper, said Uncle Elephant. He took a lamp from the shelf and lit it. Hey there, said a small voice from inside the lamp. Did you hear that? Asked Uncle Elephant. This lamp can talk. It is a magical lamp, I said. Then we can make wishes, said Uncle Elephant. I wish for an airplane that I can fly myself, I said. I wished for a polka dot suit with striped pants, said Uncle Elephant. I wish for a banana split with 10 scoops of ice cream, I said. I wished for a box filled with 100 big cigars, said Uncle Elephant. We rubbed the lamp. We sat and waited. A little spider crawled out. I wish that you would turn off this lamp and leave me in peace, said the spider. I live in there. It is getting hot. Uncle Elephant made the spider's wish come true. He was happy to turn off the lamp. Uncle Elephant put the lamp back on the shelf. We ate our supper by the light of the moon.